Welcome to Quiz Factory. Guess the perfect car for each football star. Let's begin. Which car suits Lionel Messi? It's Lotus. It's Lamborghini. It's Lotus. Which car suits Cristiano Ronaldo? It's Bugatti. Which car suits Kylian Mbappe? It's Ferrari. Which car suits Neymar Jr.? It's McLaren. Which car suits Erling Haaland? It's Mercedes. Which car suits Lamine Yamal? It's Porsche. Which car suits Vinicius Jr.? It's Lamborghini. Which car suits Jude Bellingham? It's Aston Martin. Which car suits Mohamed Salah? It's Bentley. Which car suits Robert Lewandowski? It's Porsche. Which car suits Kevin De Bruyne? It's Audi. Which car suits Luka Modric? It's Rolls-Royce. Which car suits Rodri? It's Range Rover. Which car suits Pedri? It's Cupra. Which car suits Gavi? It's BMW. Which car suits Antoine Griezmann? It's Maserati. Which car suits Harry Kane? It's Range Rover. Which car suits Bukayo Saka? It's McLaren. Which car suits Son Heung-min? It's Ferrari. Which car suits Virgil van Dijk? It's Mercedes Maybach. Which car suits Thibaut Courtois? It's Cadillac. Which car suits Emiliano Martinez? It's Jeep. Which car suits Bruno Fernandes? It's Audi. Which car suits Phil Foden? It's Lotus. Which car suits Cole Palmer? It's Rolls-Royce. Which car suits Victor Osimhen? It's Lamborghini. Which car suits Jamal Musiala? It's BMW. Which car suits Florian Wirtz? It's Audi. Which car suits Martin Odegaard? It's Porsche. Which car suits Declan Rice? It's Land Rover. Which car suits Sergio Ramos? It's Hummer. Which car suits Karim Benzema? It's Bugatti. Which car suits Luis Suarez? It's Dodge. Which car suits Andres Iniesta? It's Lexus. Which car suits Xavi Hernandez? It's Mercedes. Which car suits Ronaldinho? It's Rolls-Royce. Which car suits Zinedine Zidane? It's Audi. Which car suits David Beckham? It's Maserati. Which car suits Wayne Rooney? It's Ford. Which car suits Gareth Bale? It's Lamborghini. Which car suits Zlatan Ibrahimovic? It's Ferrari. Which car suits Paul Pogba? It's Rolls-Royce. Which car suits Paulo Dybala? It's Ferrari. Which car suits Angel Di Maria? It's Pagani. Which car suits Romelu Lukaku? It's Dodge. Which car suits Sadio Mane? It's Mercedes. Which car suits Marcus Rashford? It's McLaren. Which car suits Nico Williams? It's Lamborghini. Which car suits Danny Olmo? It's Alpine. Which car suits Toni Kroos? It's Mercedes.